Unboxing time! Hi guys, so I got a gift from Glamily. Well, it's not a gift per se, but like I was telling you guys in my last video, if you post content, you get points for your views and your comments, and you can use those points to pick prizes that you want. So they sent me this cute little card. Hi gorgeous, it's amazing to have you in our community. Thank you so much for all your support and your contribution to Glamily community. Glamily is a space to get inspired and glam up your own kind of beauty. Our mission is to help users stay connected and up to date on the most relevant people, products, and content so they can glam up. We love to celebrate everybody's unique take on glamour. There are many fun challenges on Glamily app every day. Participate to showcase your creativity and meet new fans. Can't wait to see more of your fantastic creations. The more events you participated in, the more exposure Glamily will give you to meet new fans and collaborate with brands. Enjoying Glamily, your app review helps spread the word and grow the Glamily community. If you haven't, could you please review the Glamily app in the store to keep our small team motivated to make Glamily even better? Once you're finished, share us with your screenshots via Instagram DM and you will get a little surprise. Have fun. XOXO Glamily. So I chose these earrings. So snowflakes. They're smaller than I thought they would be, but they are super cute. Let me take off my Christmas bell earring and try on the snowflake for you guys. This would have went perfect with my look today. The snowflakes, but I'll do another snowflake look. That's so cute. Thank you, Glamily. Make sure you guys download the app and start posting your content today. Have a good one. See you in my next one. Bye.